it's good to see you. And here we are just to understand a little better. What do you do? What's your best talent? What's your profile in the professional field?
Yeah, thanks, Davide. So I'm an executive coach, but what really fascinates me is talent in people. And that comes from the fact that being an engineer, I was always like fascinated by finding problems and solving problems. And my wife told me that I'm very negative because I'm always looking for problems. So one day I decided, okay, I will look at what makes people extraordinary, and I will use my analytical mind to even make it better. And so that's the essence of what I'm doing. Yeah? And I've created a product called My 5 Questions to help people to define their talent in 5 belief questions that prompt them to act and manifest this talent. And otherwise, yeah, I've done a lot of NLP with my friend Panos and different techniques. But at the end, everything comes to me that in business, the best way is to use the strengths of people and amplify the strengths of people. And even in coaching, it's to start with what makes them so good and after maybe fix other things. But looking always to what makes people extraordinary, I don't know why it fascinates me. That's really my real talent.
And what really excites me and why I choose to work with Alain is that there's always a sense of playfulness. I think I observe him at his best when he connects with that playful self in himself, which means he's always ready to stretch the boundaries of the conventional into a more innovative space, and a space where we can discover something new about being human, something creative about being human. And I observed Alain in a room with 100 people together as we coach and as we work with teams, how innovative that can play out and how people can engage with his way of stretching people to new horizons of thinking.
Thank you, Alain.
So can I then ask you, Alain, so how do you go about this? In other words, the interesting talent is your interest, but how do you actually go about doing that? What is the way that you do this that you described?
Okay, so our best talent is about manifesting the highest values that we have inside of us, and finding how to basically articulate them, and then realizing how you could put them in form of questions that you ask yourself that prompt you to act. And then the value of it is that you can transfer it, and people can reformulate these values, this question, in their own vocabulary.
So then let me see if I understand what you're saying. So you're saying from a perhaps a person will give you a big description, like a broad story or who knows what. And then through a process, you said there are 5 questions, yeah? You kind of distill it into some kind of a core idea. I mean, what is the process? Is it from the large to the essence? I mean, how does it work?
It's like a perfume. It's like a type of iteration through conversation where slowly I start to pick up mainly the metaphors that people are using are the key things that leads to the root of the question.
Okay. You see, why I'm asking you this, of course, it's a loaded question, is because this is one of the things that I really admire about you, right? And that is, since we've met, whenever it was 20 years ago, I was fascinated by the fact that you would take books and you would take all kinds of material and just summarize it quickly and keep the summaries. And so it was always the process from the big thing to the bottom line. I remember we're having conversations, you would say to me, you know, in any book, you probably have 2, maybe 3 ideas at the most, but the book is full of stuff. So to get rid of the superficial business and get down to the essence, I think this is what I find particularly fascinating in your ability to do so, and of course keep a huge library of that. So for me, that's kind of thing, something that really stands out as far as working with you goes. I felt inspired to do the same. So thank you.
No, thank you, Panos.
And for me, my experience of you, Alain, is that a great leader of leaders, because whatever we've done together, I've always saw myself differently. after talking to you. So I believe there is a gift in you to be able to listen carefully and to give back the beauty that there is in being a human and being a leader and also being a professional. So what I appreciate the most about you is your leadership style and your way of coaching, which is always shedding light on what's beautiful about people and to develop that rather than try to fix something that doesn't work. I believe that's the best thing that stands out for me. And there's a lot many more things, but I would like to just remain with that because that is what touches my heart the most.
Thank you.